Dali.
Because he eats sandwich.
Oh, here. Here muna tayo. Dito muna tayo. Oh, ayan.
There's no black.
There's black. Ayan, oh.
Hindi
Oh, ate. Pwede mo yan i-pick, ate, yung almost black na.
Okay. And the red ones?
No. Almost black lang.
The red ones
Here.
is...
Kuya Gab, come here. Dito.
The red ones are tummy.
Ayan, oh. Mag-pick daw siya ng mulberry. Dito. Ba't baliktad yung slipper mo? Come here. Dito ka. Hold kita. Ayan. Yung almost black. Ito, oh. Pwede mo i-pick. Dali. Ako na lang. No. Eh, hindi pa masyado, kuya. Come here, doon tayo. Huwag mo i-pick yung pulap, ate, kay hindi pa yan siya hinog.
I got one that is almost red.
Almost black.
I got the black one. This one is half. Can I get it?
Oh.
I got the almost black. Me too.
This one, oh.
I got two. That's mine.
Yung red, wag muna. Hindi pa yan hinog.
No.
Hindi pa, maasim pa yung red.
This looks like grapes. Ito?
Oh, maasim pa yan. Dali. Hanap tayo dito.
Okay, I'll just try asim or not asim.
Here. Wala pa, B. Here, oh.
Oh. Wait, I cannot see properly. This one is for me.
Yan, ate. Yan. Let's go. Raspberry. Wild raspberry.
Raspberry?
Yes.
I'm going to get some raspberry.
Tara, doon tayo. Wala pa yan.
That is my stick.
Oh,
it's your stick. We mixed up.
oh, tara.
Bakit di nag-give some blueberry ng raspberry?
Doon tayo sa baba.
You got only one gob. Yeah. Only gob, we can get some more raspberries. Yeah.
Say.
Oh, I found
Uy, galig! Dito. Up.
Oh, ay, it made me dagan fast.
Dito.
Ow, my heart hurts me.
Oh. Oh, Ate Princess, you pick that one.
Okay. This is the okay.
Yan.
That's the
Diandra, this one.
That's the raspberry.
Wild.
The ones we got are blackberries.
You give this to Gab, oh.
Okay.
Show it to me.
Douglas.
Gabi, patingin ang ano mo. Ayan, nag-pick sila ng mga berries. Diandra. Wow.
What about the mulberries?
Tapos na ito.
Oh, they're the mulberries? Okay.
Okay. We're done.
Yeah. I'm excited to try that cloudberry.
Wala pang hinog. Wala pang
And
fruit.
I am excited.
Okay na, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. I wonders.
Mm.